Hi, I'm Mike Rankin, Editor-in-Chief of CreativePro, and in this video, I'll show you how to apply a gradient fill to live text in Adobe Illustrator. This is a job that seems like it should be very simple, and in fact it is, but you have to know a little trick. And I learned the trick from the amazing Tony Harmer, one of the most knowledgeable Illustrator experts on the planet. So here in my file, I have this type that I'd like to fill with a chrome gradient, and you'd probably think that I could just select the text and apply a gradient metal swatch. So I'll go to my swatches panel and pick one of these gradient swatches. But if I deselect, the look of my type hasn't changed. Instead, what I need to do is select my text with the type tool and apply a fill of none to the characters. Then switch to the selection tool. And now in the appearance panel, click the button to apply a new fill. I'll select a gradient swatch now. And there's my gradient fill. And from here, you can use the Properties panel or the Gradient panel to adjust the gradient. Like, I'd like to set the angle to 90 degrees so the gradient gets applied vertically instead of horizontally. And I can take the Gradient tool, and I can use this to adjust the length of the gradient, its position relative to the type, or I could select any of these color stops and tweak them. Now in this case, I already have a custom gradient swatch that I created, so I'll go back to the Swatches panel and click to apply it. And from here I can make an adjustment. And that actually looks pretty good, so I'm going to go with that. And remember, this is still live text, so I can take the type tool and make edits. I can change the font, the size, and so on. And that is simply awesome. Hey, thanks for watching this video, and if you want lots more tips like this, be sure to check out CreativePro.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.